Good morning. This is day 100 of the 2019 Tomato Challenge, sponsored by CaliKim, Gary at the Rusted Garden, and Jess over at Roots and Refuge. It is day 100 because I started April 19th. Let me turn the camera around and I'll show you how my challenge went. It's actually July 28th, so it is 100 days. This is my tomato challenge tomato. As you can see, my tomatoes are not very huge. I'm not even going to weigh them or anything. But a couple reasons why my tomatoes didn't get very huge. First of all, I heard about the competition sort of late, so I started them sort of late, April 19th. I planted them in ground. If I had planted a plant at that point, I would have been a lot farther ahead. But I didn't. I planted it in the ground, and then I let the tomato grow up and put this bucket around and let it grow out the top. So I've got a lot of good nutrients and good stuff in there. And then we got hit with the heat. So this plant has leaves curled, not from disease or anything, but just because it's been living in the heat. So I got a couple tomatoes here that are started, and I've got more blooms and more tomatoes that are starting, and the tomato plant's going way up. It's like 6 or 7 feet tall. So I'm gonna keep this tomato plant growing, see how they mature, but 100 days with the late start and the heat was not enough time. Oh, I'm whacking off a bunch of mosquitoes on my legs. Was not enough time for this tomato to mature. So this is the end of the challenge. I would say I failed, or my tomato plant failed, or whatever, but I will keep you updated on my tomato plant. Hopefully I'll get some big tomatoes off of here eventually. We are getting a little bit of break in the super hot heat now, so things are starting to grow. You can see I'm getting some better growth here on the new growth. Alright, so there you have it. I enjoyed the competition, enjoyed seeing everyone's entries, and looking forward to see who is declared the winner. If you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the B down here to get subscribed and click the bell so you don't miss anything. I'm going to put a video that Google says you like in this corner, and I'm going to put the last video that I made on moringa, how to grow moringa, up in this corner. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. We'll see you again real soon.